Airbnb guest is gonna get breakfast this morning. And she's gonna have shakshuka. Hi, I'm Nina of Radical Cooks. Today we're going to make shakshuka. Shakshuka is a dish that hails from North Africa. Many people think it comes from Israel, but in fact it's a North African dish from Tunisia. It was brought to Israel from the Jewish populations of Northern Africa who immigrated there. It's a very simple dish. It has lots of vitamin C, lots of protein in the form of eggs. We're going to level it up even more, nutritionally speaking, by adding a little bit of chard. If you don't have Swiss chard, you can use spinach, you can use any kale, other greens. If you want to add a little bit more spice and kick to it, you can also add a little harrissa. This is breakfast, this is lunch, this is dinner. So let's get started. So I'm going to heat up the oil in my pan. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. While that is heating up, we're going to take our onion and dice it. I'm going to slice it lengthwise, crosswise. Add this to our pan. Start that sizzling. I'm using red onion because, nutritionally speaking, it has a little bit more vitamins and minerals, higher in antioxidants than your yellow onion. But if you can't find a red or purple onion, feel free to just add a regular onion. We're gonna get our garlic minced. I'm gonna take each clove, give it a little smash. Take the sides off here. And with my garlic, I like to remove this little end piece. It tends to be a little bitter. Coarsely chop it and then come in and mince. If you find that your garlic sticks to your knife, you can always add a little bit of oil to it. Move this around, make sure that everything is coated in oil, and then we'll add our garlic. We'll add our spices. Cumin, paprika, caraway seeds, a little bit of sugar and salt. Now your kitchen smells amazing. The tomato. And now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. That's just going to thicken our sauce up. If you want to add your harrissa, this is the time to do it. About half a tablespoon. And we'll add a little bit of pepper. The lid on. Let this cook down. Take my chard. I've already taken off most of the stem, but I'm going to remove a little bit of the stem here, like that. The stem I'm going to not waste. I'm going to slice it on the bias. Pop that into my mix. I'll take my leaves and we're going to chiffonade. We're going to fold it onto itself like that. Roll it. Curl it back and slice. This will give you these really nice ribbon cuts and it helps cook your greens down faster. It smells so good. Put our, don't worry about it looking like a lot, it'll cook down. So beautiful. This on, let that cook down. So I want my leaves to be wilted before I put my egg in. And I'm going to remove the lid to let some of the steam and the water evaporate to thicken the sauce. And then we're going to do our best to make a little well in the middle. I'm gonna add about 3 eggs here. My Airbnb guest is gonna get breakfast this morning, and she's gonna have shakshuka. Take our egg, make it right into the sauce. Again, make a little well as best you can. I have a neighbor who makes this on her camping trips because it's a one saucepan, one skillet type of meal. So you can see that the egg whites are already starting to cook here on the edges, which is great. So we'll let this kind of cook a little bit without the lid. And then in about a minute, we will put the lid on, and we're basically poaching the eggs in the sauce. And give it about 5-10 minutes. You don't want to cook the yolk, but you want to make sure that the egg white is nice and cooked. All right, it's been about 5 to 10 minutes and our eggs are ready. I toasted some pita bread. This one here like that. Add this into our plate. Look at this, it looks so good. Serve that on the side. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It looks so good.